and happy Friday, everybody. I am Candace Tyler, and I am the Community Relations Coordinator as well as the Project Manager for the BizIQ Chatbot. And thank you for joining us on our Facebook Live Friday series, where we are going to be diving into all things chatbot. Now, if you are unaware, BizIQ did launch our very own chatbot in the beginning of 2020. And since then, BizIQ has implemented over 2,000 chatbots. And of those 2,000 chatbots, we have accumulated over 26,000 leads for our customers. And to this point, our chatbot is included at no extra cost on all of our local SEO packages. Since its inception, it's no secret that chatbots are a lead generation machine. And the BizIQ chatbot gives your customers and potential customers a fast and easy way to request information from your business, no matter the time or day of night. So let's dive into our chatbot a little deeper, shall we? In a study conducted by Outgrow, it is estimated that 80% of businesses are projected to have some sort of chatbot on their website by 2020. And there is no sign that chatbots are slowing down, they're only gearing up. In another study done, it is estimated that chatbots are expected to be a $1.3 billion industry by 2024. Yes, I said billion with a B. And let's just all take a moment to realize that 2024 is 3.5 years away. Wild. But just like the internet, chatbots are always changing and evolving. And with some feedback from our clients, we have just launched our first update. So now all of our clients are working with our chatbot version 1.1. Have I been not on my headset the whole time? Sorry about that, guys. I have a new computer and I forgot I needed my headset. So let's just ramp this back up again. Hi, my name is Candace Tyler, and I am the Community Relations Coordinator here at BizIQ, as well as the Project Manager for our BizIQ chatbot. And thank you for joining us on our Facebook Live Friday series, where we are going to be diving into all things chatbot. Oh, we got some comments going here. Cutting in and out. Oh, man. It's a horrible time to have some. Oh, much better. There we go. Thank you, guys. As I was saying, if you're unaware, at the start of 2020, BizIQ launched our very own chatbot. And since its inception, we have launched over 2,000 chatbots. And of those 2,000 chatbots, we have accumulated over 26,000 leads for our customers. So it's no secret that chatbots are a lead generation machine. And the BizIQ chatbot gives your customers and potential customers a fast and easy way to request information from your business, no matter the time or the day of night. So let's dive into chatbots a little bit deeper, okay? It is projected that 80% of businesses are going to have some sort of chatbot on their website by 2020. And there are no signs that chatbots are slowing down. They're just gearing up. In another study done, it's estimated that chatbots are going to be a $1.3 billion industry by 2024. Yes, I said billion with a B. And can we all take some time to realize that 2024 is only 3.5 years away? That's wild. BizIQ realized that this was a service that our customers needed and could benefit from, so we went ahead and we developed our own. And this week, we had just announced our first version 1.1 update. Like the internet, chatbots are always evolving, and from feedback from our clients, we've created a new chatbot that works even better for our customers. So I'm going to dive into 3 changes we have made. Our web design and development team has been hard at work, making sure this project is perfect for all of our customers. So I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty of everything going on in the background, but just know they put in some time for this. First, we have enhanced our text message lead notification system. What this means is that now, when somebody completes a conversation on our chatbot, it will send a text message to our client so they can read the conversation and get the customer's name, phone number, and email address, as well as what they're contacting your business for, making it even easier for you to reach your potential customers and make sure that they turn into a real customer. Our second thing that we have added is a reinforced user experience with a typing awareness indicator. Now, if you have an iPhone, you may already see this. When somebody's typing a text message to you, you have a little bubble that pops up with 3 dots. We have implemented this on our chatbot as well. This is really big because it allows your customers to understand that the chatbot has received their message and that there is a response on the way. And the third thing we have done is we have made our chatbot even smarter. It now has the ability to identify new versus returning customers, which improves your overall customer experience. Now, if you have any extra questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section or slide into our DMs. But that is a wrap for this week, folks. Next week, I will be joined by the ever lovely Jennifer Slaughter, and we will be going over the value of a good website. Jennifer is our manager of web design and development, so I can't wait to hear what she has to say on the subject. Thank you for joining us all today, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.